Under the moon and the quiet sky so clear, a whisper of hope is all I hold near. Every breath, every word, a humble call, guided by mercy, the one above all. Through the path with thorns where shadows creep, I tread with faith, my soul does leap. Hands raised high with a heart sincere. Every moment I know He's near. Oh, eternal light that shines so pure, guide me always, your love is sure. No riches I see, no crown to wear, just your mercy forever, everywhere. In the stillness where the silence stays, I find my solace in whispered praise. From the sunrise to the starlit dawn, in your grace I found my home. When my voice shakes and my fears ignite, you calm the storm with warm, pure light. In the echoes of faith, I find my song. With you, I'll stand forever strong. Oh, eternal light that shines so pure, guide me always, your love is sure. No riches I see, no crown to wear, just your mercy forever, everywhere. I trace the echoes of your voice, they linger in my mind. Every memory's a photograph, frozen in time. I watch the waves roll in, but they just pull me further out, to a place where your love is the only thing I'm without. The distance whispers, but it screams in my heart. Every mile feels like it's tearing us apart. Across the oceans, I'm reaching for you. Through the silence, I'm calling your name. No horizon can hide what is true. Even a part of burns just the same. I feel your heartbeat in the stars, though they're so far away. And every sunset feels like a promise we'll make someday. But the nights grow colder and the time moves slow. Still I'd wait 1,000 lifetimes for your shadow to show. The distance whispers, but it screams in my soul. Every second is a story untold. Across the oceans, I'm reaching for you. Through the silence, I'm calling your name. No horizon can hide what is true. I close my eyes and hear your laughter in the breeze. Feel your warmth in every memory. If love's a current, I'll let it carry me until your arms are my reality. Across the oceans, I'm reaching for you, reaching for you. Through the silence, I'm calling your name, calling your name. No horizon can hide what is true, hide what is true. Even apart, love burns just the same. So I'll hold on till the waves bring you near. In every whisper, I'll know that you're here. Across the oceans, I'll never let go. For love knows no borders, it's all that I know. Across the oceans, I'm reaching for you. Through the silence, I'm calling your name. No horizon can hide what is true. Even apart, love burns just the same.
Try to stay with you, babe, and it hurts me that I feel so out of place. Heavy weight, I can't be here any longer. Split apart to the start, but it was you, still doesn't feel right. Don't wanna hurt you now, tell me how I can fix your heart. Can't keep feeding on light any longer. I've tried, I've been all of these signs for the love that won't last. I don't wanna fall till I push myself to the ground. There's no way around it, so let me fix your heart. Fix your heart. What to do when the truth hurts more than 1,000 lies? Let it through, hope that soon everything will break to pieces. Wish it didn't go this way. On love works so that I can stay and calling. So tell me how can I fix your heart? Can't keep feeding on light any longer. I've tried, I've been all of the signs for the love that won't lie. I don't wanna fall down, push myself to the ground. There's no way around it, so let me fix your heart. Fix your heart.
Under the moon and the quiet sky so clear, a whisper of hope is all I hold near. Every breath, every word, a humble call, guided by mercy, the one above all. tread with faith, my soul does a leap, hands raised high with a heart sincere. Every moment I know He's near. Oh, eternal light that shines so pure, guide me always, your love is sure. No riches I see, no crown to wear, just your mercy forever, everywhere. In the stillness where the silence stays, I find my solace in whispered praise. From the sunrise to the starlit dawn,